height of the windstorm, this massive tree slammed down into the Saanich backyard and way too close for comfort.
Basically, I was like asleep. That's my room right there. And then I heard like a big boom. I thought like it sounded like a bomb went off almost.
The tree fell into the Polk's property just before midnight, inches from Benji's bedroom.
They got really lucky because the tree came within a whisper of Benji's room.
Yeah.
They missed the trampoline in the middle of the yard, but the only thing is it took out
the
big
hedge,
hedge.
and it was blocking the whole entire road over there too.
But as gusts hit close to 100 kilometers an hour overnight, this family home in Oak Bay was not as lucky. A downed tree took out the back of the house, tearing out the stairs, roof, and garage. The rough water too much for this sailboat off Oak Bay, while the whipping winds left thousands on the south coast without power.
At the height of the storm around midnight in the south coast, we had about 35,000 customers out. On Vancouver Island, that number was about 14,000.
BC Hydro crews were able to restore power to all island customers by Wednesday morning. But the winds created treacherous seas for BC ferries, resulting in the cancellation of the 7 and 9 p.m. sailings Tuesday night, which backed up traffic into today. All Swartz Bay sailings are now full, with the next available vessel to Tsawwassen not until Thursday morning.
It's actually not the winds that are the challenge, it's the rough seas, it's the sea height and the wave height. So we obviously sail when it's safe to do so, but the safety of our passengers is number one.
Back in the Polk's backyard, the damage is limited to a hedge, but they'll be watching and waiting for the next round of wild weather on the island.